How to add plugins to After Effects. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to add plugins to Adobe After Effects. Plugins can enhance your editing capabilities and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. First, download the plugin you want to install from a trusted source. Plugins typically come in a zip file or an installer. Make sure to choose a version compatible with your After Effects version. If your plugin comes in a zip file, extract it using your preferred file extraction tool and you should see a folder with the plugin files. Open After Effects and go to Edit, Preferences, Plugins. Note the location of the plugins folder. Alternatively, you can manually navigate to it on Windows. It's usually C, Program Files, Adobe, Adobe After Effects, Support Files, and finally Plugins. And on macOS, it's in Applications/Adobe After Effects/Plugins. Now, copy the extracted plugin files from the zip folder and paste them into the After Effects plugins folder you located earlier. If the plugin comes with an installer, run the installer and follow the prompts. Now, restart After Effects to ensure that the plugin is recognized and you've successfully added a plugin to After Effects. You're now ready to explore new features and enhance your projects. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below, and thanks for watching.